Today we will learn about the problem solving using Routh's method. In the first problem, we have the T of S is given as 200 divided by S power 4 6x cube plus 11s square plus 6s plus 200. So the first rule is we have to identify what is the power, maximum power we have. So here the maximum power is S power 4, then S3 followed by S2, S and S power 0. The Routh's table says now we have to find the coefficients A0, A1, A2, A3 and A4. A0 is 1 here, A1 is 6, A2 is 11, A3 is 6 and A4 is 200. So first S power 4 row and S power 3 row we have to fill. The rule says us for S4 1 and skip S cube, then 11 200, then the same thing will be there for us. The next step is to find B1, B2 and B3. So if in order to find the value of B1, I have to multiply 6 into 11 minus 1 into 6 divided by 6. That's the formula we have. So we will get the value as 10. Similarly, we can find the value of B2, which is 6 into 200 minus 1 into 0 divided by 6. So we will get the value as 200. So we will fill 100, 10, 200, 0 in the S square row. Now we will find the next row, S power 1. So that is equal to C1, C2, C3. So to find the value of C1, we have to take S3 and S cube and S square row. So to multiply this one, 10 into 6 minus 6 into 200 divided by 10. So we'll get the value as minus 114. When you go for C2, it's 10 into 0 minus 6 into 0. So we'll get the value as 0. So the rest of the columns is 0 for us. Now to fill S0 row, we follow the same approach, but here we have to take the rows of S square and S1. If we take the rows of S square, what we'll get is minus 114 to 200 divided by 114. So we'll get the value as equal to 200. So this completes our table. Now for the Routh locus stability, we have to check the first column. Okay, check the sign in all the first column. You can see S power 4 is plus, cube is plus, square is plus, whereas S power 1 is minus and S power 0 is again plus. So there is a 2 sign changes occurred from S square to S power 0. So that means there is a 2 poles available on the right hand side of the plane. So based on this, we can straight away tell the system is unstable for us. Now here 2 poles on the right hand side, the remaining 2 poles will be on the left hand side.